Tape script 2.4.1.
Do you want to come over to my house and sing karaoke?
I can't. I have to help out at my family's restaurant tonight.
I didn't know you had to work too.
Yes, part-time. I have to work 3 nights a week. I don't have to work tonight, but there is a big party, so I think I must help out tonight and work as a waiter.
That sounds difficult.
It is. There are many things I must remember to make the job easier.
Like what?
When customers come in, I have to greet them and show them to a table. I also have to give them a menu and take their order.
I like to move around a lot. You must have a lot of fun running to each table.
Want to come and help?
I can't. I must practice my bull playing so I can make the school team.
Tape script 2.4.2.
A. I have to help out at my family's restaurant tonight. B. I have to work 3 nights a week. C. I must help out tonight and work as a waiter. D. I have to show them to a table. E. I must practice my bull playing.
Tape script 2.4.3.
Going to school full-time and working part-time in a restaurant can be difficult. To be able to complete my homework, I must manage my time carefully. That means many days after school, I'm not able to hang out with my friends because I have to go to work or go home to do my homework. I have to work at the restaurant 3 nights during the week and Sunday afternoons. I have worked at the restaurant for 4 years. I am able to do any of the jobs in the restaurant. My favorite duty is working as a greeter and showing people to their tables. I also like bringing people their food. I don't enjoy it when I have to mop the floors or wash the dishes. My father tells me that if I want to be successful in life, I must accept doing some things I don't enjoy. All in all, I like helping out my family. I don't know if I always want to work in a restaurant. My father says I must decide that myself. At the moment though, I am able to earn some spending money that makes me happier when I have to go home to study.
Tape script 2.4.4.
1. I must manage my time carefully. 2. I have to work 3 nights during the week and Sunday afternoons. 3. I'm able to do any of the jobs in the restaurant. 4. I don't enjoy it when I have to mop the floors or wash the dishes. 5. My father says that I must decide myself. 6. I'm able to earn some spending money.